agad. Yung sobra, next week na lang. Alright. Start agad ha, start. 2, 4, 6, 8. Ako na-score pre, ako na-score. Start agad man ha. Running time. Dave, please, video recording. This is the last day. The last walking of the night. Other participants, kakam na po ha. Ready na tayo to go. This is our last game already.
Hindi ka na lumaro kayo, Bray. Ha?
Last 8 minutes. To all participants, double check your stock. Para wala nang iwan. Last week yung pinelas ata, may nag-iwan. Nakay kuya lang. Alright. Last 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Last game. Alright. Jogi on the ball. Lapit! Buhay! Kaya nagapot ka sa kalaban, nagapot po sa mga ng chair. Alright. So good. Out of bounds. Go! Lazareno basket!
Wala pa yung score, Bray. Wala nga.
Ay, walang score ah. Ay, walang score dyan.
Tatlo pa sila sa mo. Pangano ba ito? Sabay-sabay. Oo, tatlo sila dyan eh.
May kaya na mag-score ah. Walang score. Six minutes and 20 seconds. Bye-bye.
Eh, Rama.
Soy! Last 6 minutes. Easy. Ah, 1-6. Susunod sa akin. Ah? 6-6. 6-6. All 6. Apa na lang? Isip na sa boy. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Nazareno, nakuha niyo po na. Wow! Basket 2 points. 6-8 score. Nazareno on the ball. Nakuha ko. Dogi. Yes. Dogi again. 4-3. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Last 5 minutes. Score 6-8. dire-diretso. Sayang. Marion! Oh! Nazareno, basket 2 points, all in. Last 4 minutes and 40 seconds. One easy basket, no good. No good again. Ingat. Alright. Safety first. Last 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Alright. Vera. Nazareno basket 2 points. Score 10-8. Last 4 minutes. Alright. Vera, pinasa kay Marion. Basket 2 points. Score 38. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. No good. Uy. Perla. Nazareno, basket 2 points. Score 14-8. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Napasobra. Pasa pa na. Hindi pa na. Joji Perla on the ball. Pinasa. Nazareno. Basket 2 points. Score 16-8. Perla. Diretso easy basket. Pagod na pare. Marion, basket 2 points. 18-8. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Basket 2 points. 18-8. Nakuha mo lang. 12. Sayang. Basket 2 points. 18-12. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Marion. Nazareno. Diretso. Sayang. Isa pa. Pasa.
Kaya ko na kayo mamaya. Nice game. Kati.
Basket 2 points.
14 lang. 2
Nazareno. Napasobra. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Marion. No good. Dawson. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. Napa, easy basket. 2 points. 18-16. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Perla, 4, Nicola, Stop, Nazareno, Pinasa, 2 points. 20-16. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Alright. Last game. For 3. No good. Perla. Pinasa kay Marion. May batay. Nazareno. Hindi nakuha pa. Basket. 2 points. 22-16. Last 50 seconds. No good. Habol na yan. Habol. Bago. Nazareno. Basket 2 points. 24-16. 24-16. Di ba yung namatay? Basket 2 points. 24-18. Last 26 seconds. Okay. Basket 2 points. 26-18. Last 20 seconds. No good. 26-18. Last 13 seconds. Marion on the ball. Basket 2 points. Last 10 seconds. 28-18 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that concludes our April 11. Thank you, everyone. Double check the star.